Welcome back to Chef. Another food review. It's bacala night, but I got, well, I guess I'll do the review on the piece of meat. It's kind of like a piece of capocollo. I'll try to pan in on it. There it is, with some mashed potatoes. There was gnocchi and a little watermelon. So, mom and dad right here. So again, we'll keep it clean, no swearing. Lavope, Vassalo family, a staple in the community. So here we go. Wow. For Italians, pretty good mashed potatoes. Love you, Mom. Love you, Dad. Dad looks like he wants to go to bed. And a little scarpetta, not too much, but it was very good. Very good sauce. The gnocchi were good, not like my mom's, but they're also serving 300 people here in an hour. Got some greens here. What do you think these were, Ma? Spinach or?
Chicoria.
Chicoria? Oh boy, not my favorite, but let's try it anyway. Wow. Best chicoria ever had. Need the garlic. Star of the show is this meat. Like everything, pork, mayala. Nice gravy. Brown gravy, not this Jersey gravy. That sauce is killer. Overall, I am giving this a 92 high score. Very well done. Forza Chiauci.